Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Edge 540. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation avoidances. In the beginning, let's go to menu. Enter activity profiles, select your profile, and next go to navigation. Enter routing and go to avoidance setup. Here you can enable major highways, toll roads, unpaved roads, ferries, narrow tails, high traffic roads, avoidance. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.